think about automation in, businesses like yours, businesses like ours, I always challenge the thinking and say, okay, let's start with process, not automation. And I'll ask a question, how many believe they've got like perfect color management in your operations out there so that every time you run that label, it's the same, right? 99% to proof every time. Can anyone raise their hand on that? I know a couple of you can, maybe a lot of you can. Or running at rate. That's one of the biggest, most frustrating things I hear is that, these presses can run 1,000 feet per minute, but, we can't get our operators to be comfortable running above, 200 or 300. Well, the answer to that is not automation. The answer to that is process, right? And then start thinking about, well, why aren't people able to do the things you're asking them to do? Well, maybe they're afraid of making mistakes, right? So then spend some time on mistake-proofing those processes. And then it'll be very obvious what you need to automate, because it'll just pop out and say, well, this is the stuff that's repetitive, redundant. Everybody knows we can replace that with a robot or some automation or things like that. And we have this motto that kind of came out of the lean work I did a number of years ago, but I just love it. It's be kind to people and be tough on process in your businesses. So I don't think it's all about automation. It's all about process, and then automation will follow.